You know you need to spend more time working on the business, but not in the business. But where's the time? You're tangled in all of the services and apps you use to deliver coaching. You can't add more clients to an already packed schedule, but you need more revenue. And you know how to coach, but how do you stand out without spending more hours you don't have? We've worked with dozens of staff coaches and hundreds of Barbell Academy students to find success in online and hybrid coaching. Over almost a decade, our coaches have tried dozens of delivery methods: spreadsheets, forums, email, online services. None were the right fit, and some caused more problems than they solved. So we made our own. We've studied how our best online coaches work, communicated those best practices, and custom built a coaching platform to help them execute efficiently so that they could scale their impact, earning more per hour and serving more clients while keeping a high quality of service. This course will show you exactly how we help busy coaches get past feeling trapped and overwhelmed, and how they can use Turnkey Coach to coach more efficiently and profitably with an online coaching practice. Many coaches went online during the pandemic. You might notice many didn't stay with it. You might have even tried it yourself and found that you were working more hours for less pay. That's common, but it's not inevitable. Online coaching poses unique challenges, and making it work requires simple, hard, and effective action applied consistently over time. It's no different from training. If your lifter is frustrated and stuck, if they seem to be spending more and more time and energy to get tired and nowhere, you know better than to offer them hacks or tell them to hustle harder. You know how frustrating it feels to even hear those solutions. Hacks and hustle porn aren't what we do. In this course, we'll show you specific, actionable steps that you can take to identify limiting factors and break through a professional plateau. We'll show you our approach to money, time, and the coaching practice, skills you can apply regardless of your business model. And we'll show you step by step and click for click exactly how we help coaches earn 5 times their current dollar per hour, all while delivering high quality service using a smart routine and our Turnkey Coach platform. The 5X Coach builds trust and gets real results for their clients. They earn enough money on a schedule of their own choosing that they have the freedom to prioritize what they care about most. They're confident in their value. And just like with barbell training, even with the right steps and the right tools, getting past a sticking point is hard. But you didn't get here by taking the easy route. You started training to stay strong, get jacked, or deal with pain. Eventually, you changed. You got strong and people noticed. You started helping other people. They started seeing the change in their lives. So you took the leap and started a coaching practice, which is great. The world has never needed more caring, skilled coaches. But sometimes this just gets heavy. Times get tough, and being a professional feels hard. The question is whether you want the hardship of being stuck or the challenge of overcoming it. If that's your kind of challenge, check out part 2 of Coaching Rediscovered. Get to ground truth to continue the course and learn how Turnkey Coach can help you succeed.